Welcome to the C++ tutorial. In last lecture, we have seen member function. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Please like the video and subscribe Awake Learning channel. In this session, we have concept of public variable and function, how to input value from the user, and concept of private and public keywords. As we know variable and function, let us understand the concept of public and private keywords first with the small video made in Animaker.
Here we have our own car. This is our private car. So this car is our private property which will be managed by us.
This is a public bus. Public bus can be used by anyone. So it is a public property.
Private property can be accessed by owner only.
While public property can be accessed by anyone.
We have seen real life example for public and private keywords in the above video. Now we have programming terminology of the same. Public members are accessible from outside the class. The data members and member functions declared as a public can be accessed by other classes and functions too. Now for private members. Private members cannot be accessed from outside the class. The class members declared as private can be accessed only by the member functions inside the class. They are not allowed to be accessed directly by any object or function outside the class. Now we will see programming for the same. This is our new Turbo C file into which we are writing #include iostream.h #include conio.h class example into this class we have one member variable, that is integer a, and one member function void msg. Now we know that if we are declaring any member function into the class, then we can write the whole definition of that function outside of the class using scope resolution operator. So first of all we are writing the whole function outside of the class using scope resolution operator. So void example scope resolution operator and msg function. Into this again, as per our last video, we are giving just the message. This is a message function. Now here we have our main function and even object of class example. Clear screen and get ch. Through this even we can access both member variable as well as member function. So here even.a equals to, suppose we are giving 10 and we are printing using cout even.a. Here we have endl for end of the line Now we are calling MSG function using even dot MSG to call a member function. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. So here in the output we can see 10 and the message is this is MSG function. So we can access member variable and member function using a single object. This is our new TurboC file. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, our class example, into the class we have one member function integer a as public, in a main function object of example class e1, clear screen and get ch. Now we wish value of a will be given by the user. For that, first of all we are giving a message, enter value, cin e1 dot a. Now to print that value, cout e1 dot a. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Here suppose the value is 25, so 25 is printed. Here we have our TurboC file, hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, class example. In this class we are declaring one private data member integer a. And public member functions void get data and void put data. Get data function is used to get or scan value from the user, and put data function will be used to print the data. Here outside of the class we are writing the whole function using scope resolution operator. Void example scope resolution operator and get data function. Member function can access directly the private member variable of the same class. So in cout we are giving message enter value cin a. Now void example put data cout and a. Here void main function, into the main object of example class is e1, clear screen and get ch. through even. First, we are calling getData function to take some input from the user, and after that we are calling putData function for the output. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Suppose we are giving 45 and here the output is 45. Using getData function, we have stored value of A, and using putData function, we have printed value of A. Once again, A is a private member of the class example, and getData and putData, both functions are publicly declared. The summary of today's lecture is public function, public variable, how to input value from the user, concept of private and public keywords using videos and programming terminology. At last, we have seen practical in Turbo C.